each and everyone, especially Madam, who guided us about the Collins. Actually, we have learned so many things, and I have seen the textbook of English, 8th grade.
Change the pen. This should be.
Good afternoon each and everyone, especially ma'am who taught us everything and who explained us everything about the books and the curriculum, which is very easier to reach the student as well as the teacher. We can explain the student in a easier way, in a easier method. Actually, I observed, I have a look at English textbook of 8th grade. It is not only given a lesson part but also included grammar part. Especially I observed tenses. Why? Because tenses are very, very important to improve the student their spoken. Yes, that's why I observed tenses part. They have not only mentioned the tenses but also they have mentioned very clearly at what time they have to implement that part in their daily life, so that easily a student can understand the tense and also they can implement that particular part in their daily life without mistakes. I feel very proud to be here as a part of this program. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.